Good evening, good morning, and good night. Okay, this is start of 2023. Yesterday, it was basically a break-even day. It wasn't too much going on there. You can check out the trades there. I traded too much, I'd say. I don't think I should have even traded because it was the beginning of the day or the beginning of the year, the beginning of the month. Trend hasn't changed, but people's psychology is just different. Today we had FOMC. We gapped up in the morning. These are my trades. Now, time to show you the trades if you want to look at them. First trade was Meta at 9:31 in the morning. I also started adding the 5-day VWAP. I don't know why. I just feel like I need a more short-term analysis on the market, so I decided to add it. This morning, we were gapped up super fucking wide. Let's do a little replay on Meta. This is what it looked like hold up. Let's watch it. Okay, we open up. Holy shit, we're up way higher than we should be. And I catch the little... Okay, maybe not the 30-minute, but let's look at the 5-day, I guess. And I'm only going off of today because this isn't a review of yesterday. We opened up too high. I got in a little early, but I believed we were going to fall, so I got in and I caught a good move. Yeah, that was the first trade was when it stopped me out because it fucking ran the next 5 minutes after the open. So, yeah. That's really it. Oh, my bad. Let's try to see this stock options movement. Oh, there were two trades. So let's just clarify that the first trade is the white and the gold. The white's the entry, the gold is the exit. The next trade is the red and the blue. The blue's the entry, the red's the exit. Got in 0.10 and got out at 0.6 because I had a stop at 0.7. Stop me out, triggers me at the bid. The bid was at 0.6. I get back in at 0.7 though because I believe this. And if it breaks 0.6, I'm out. But it eventually ran. It did quite well. I don't even think I had to take profit. I just got out at a certain price. I forget where the price was. Yeah, I got out at this is supposed to be the month to date. It's a little bit small, but I got out at this, +2 deviation. Right. I think it's +1 deviation, actually. It's just, yeah, the +1 deviation, because it's a little confusing. Don't worry about it. All right. Don't worry about it. Got out over here as well at the support. It's also bouncing off of this +1 deviation on the 5-day moving average. So, obviously in a fat fucking uptrend. Next trade that was actually like not Meta was SPY at 1:22 p.m. We had FOMC at 2 p.m. today. So I'm like, all right, bet. Let's take that off. I'm like, all right, cool. We have FOMC at 2 p.m. I didn't trade from 10 a.m. to 1 because I was at work doing shit, and I didn't want to trade until we got confirmation on FOMC. But I saw a trade set up, and I was like, I'm going to have to take this whore. So I took it, and I used it. Sorry, that's a little bit gruesome, but hey, fuck it. And I think I actually got the wrong entry on my calculation. 12.55 I did. 12. Sorry. All right. Here's the real entry. I had to re-enter it. 12.55.11. Let's go back. 12.55. It's this candle right here. It was basically right when this candle opened. Let's cut back to the 5-minute right before. All right, let's is this the extra forward? Jump in real time chart forward. Boom. All right, that's that is 50. So the 50 just opened. I'm like, all right, cool. It broke it, but let's see if it tries to, the next candle, if it tries to go up, test the +2 deviation and reject off of it. Boom! It opens and it immediately falls. So I buy the ask because it is immediately falling. That is a great sign. And I could see it down here at the +1 deviation at the volume. And I'm like, all right, cool. Maybe we see it at 384. Boom! Boom, baby! That's what we like to see. So basically, 0.10 got out at 0.12 because the reason was because I was like, I want it at 384.20-ish area. And when it hit 381 or 380, when it hit that area, 384.20-ish, I'm like, all right, I'm gonna get out no matter what the price is. And it was at 0.12, which was unfortunate because it ran up to 0.19. Happens. What can you do about it? Maybe just I'll trail my stop next time instead of having a take profit, which has recently been good for me, trailing my stop. It's maximized my profits. But yeah, obviously it bounced off of that, so I'm glad I got out. It started rejecting again. At the FOMC, it actually rejected it. That could have been a good entry for puts if you wanted. All right, right now we're just seeing a nice run. It was oversold. It hit the VWAP. We're running. Cool. That was that trade, 5-minute trade, 20%, $2. Sad that I couldn't maximize the profit, but I'm not really worried about it because I got out when I said I would get out. Next trade, QQQ at 122, got out at 156. Kind of a longer trade for me. I'm not gonna lie with you. So I got in at 0.13. Let's go look at this contract real quick. Oh, don't mind this. I accidentally got in on the wrong account. But oh wait, it was because of commissions. That's why I only made 10 cents. So I made like, oh wait, no. I made 12 cents, but commissions was 2 cents, I guess. Fuck it. All right, over here. Cool. Let's look at this bullshit. I'm not mad with my exit at all. I'm actually quite happy with it. I bought in down here at 0.13, and we were the lowest we saw was my stop was 0.11. Well, 0.11. I had to stop at 0.11, but the ask has to reach 0.11, and it would have triggered me at 0.10. So it hits my stop, but it doesn't get me out, which I'm like, cool. I have a take profit at 0.19, but I'm like, I'm gonna take this off the 0.19 because it is kind of running. It was going in my favor, I should say. And FOMC was coming. So I'm like, all right, once it gets to 0.19, I'm going to put my stop there and it will trigger and it will hit me out at 0.18. So I put it there. It stops me out at 0.18. I'm like, cool, sick. It goes up to 0.21. I have no problem with my exit, by the way. Let's just say this first and foremost before I tell you. Once the FOMC price, once 2 o'clock hits and FOMC shit comes out, FOMC minutes, it falls. It would have stopped me out at I forget where I was at, 0.10. Yeah, I would have gotten stopped out, and then it ran. It didn't immediately run to 0.44. It fell, and then it ran after that. So glad with my stop. Maybe I could have waited till the bid went above 19 for me to place my stop. Well, no. Never mind. Don't even disregard what I said. Once it hit 0.19, it stopped me out at 0.18. If it went up to 0.20, but I had to stop at 0.19, it would have gotten me out at 0.18. It doesn't matter. That was the trade. It was a good trade. That was my final trade of the day. Yeah, that's really it. My average winner is doing well right now. I'm proud of myself. I need to figure out the right formula for this average winner, or the win rate. Right now, to what this is my win rate is moving the decimal point over twice, and it'll be 0.55 or 55%. What am I talking about? Sorry if I sound a little sick, but yeah, that's really it. yeah, I took the trades that I liked. I trailed my stop decently. The only thing I wish I did trail better was this. I should have just trailed it out instead of market ordering it out. I market ordered out. I was like, all right, it's at 384. I might as well get out because, you know, this is where I said I was going to get out. But maybe I should have been like, yo, let's see if it actually reaches to my to the VWAP. This is where it was. I'm pretty sure right here. Yeah. Let's see if it gets near VWAP. And it kind of did. 380, close enough. But yeah, that's really it. Nothing else to say. Adios. Have a good one. I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully. We'll see.